Oh, you are so welcome. This is Alone in the Dark with Ed Maier. All original, authentic works. Very incredible. We are hosting him at Random Alchemy. When you come in, this is the experience that you get when it is in the dim light. This is an incredible piece by Ed. As is this one. I can't wait for you guys to see it in like a LED light. His watercolors are phenomenal. Just insane. Also, he's working on aesthetic materials that are available for him. It makes them one of a kind. It's almost like assemblage art. Very awesome. Look at that. That's like magnifying. Okay, so here are his original watercolors. Some of them. He is incredible. Watercolor is a very hard medium. This is my favorite piece. You may not be able to see it in the dark very well, but the whole premise of the show is in the dark. I like this one because it's so much deconstructed. I might even buy this one. This one here, incredible. It's very surrealistic, but yet organic. Incredible. This is the ceiling that Ed and I assembled for the low lights to encase the show. I'm going to take you outside now, and I'm going to show you his outstanding piece. Look at this goddess and how bright she is, how illuminated she is, how intense she is. She's one of a kind. One of a kind. Ed Maier, everybody, here at Random Alchemy in the world famous Las Vegas Arts Factory, and we are very much looking forward to showing all of his work. Thank you very much.